everyone, and a very, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 5. This was taught online in our class on Monday the 22nd of August 22. So if you're looking for the full tango and samba 90-minute class, head on over to the video library and look for Monday the 22nd of August. This is the short summary of the tango routine, and here we go. I'm going to face the front. And then to start, 2 walks in a progressive link as though I'm on the leader's steps. Walk, walk, link. I'll call the quicks and slows out in a minute. We then did a promenade turn, walk, walk, walk through, little lunge position. I'm then going to do a rock turn with a little bit of rotation, and then a back corte here. Does mean that we're facing the back of the room, okay? Don't forget, for those of you that are purists and looking for the exact thing that we were doing in the ballroom, these are almost that, but there are a lot of little adaptations to make it for the living room, and also so it doesn't matter whether you're a leader or follower. I do ladies and gents steps within the same pattern, okay? Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, sorry, go wrong again. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. My goodness, okay. Get that wrong again. Sorry, that was my fault. Let's do that once more. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Now we're facing the back of the room, okay? We're going to do a reverse turn, a closed reverse turn with a little crossed over feet. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We're then going to do one flip ball change, quick and quick, one side slow and slow, okay? A little drag point. And that means it's made my right foot available. I'm then going to do the promenade turn, rock turn, and the corte in the right foot leading, which is more similar to the follower's steps. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Okay, a lot going on there, but like I say, we went over this for a good deal of time in the lesson. So let's put the whole thing together. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. So really working on promenade turn, rock turn, and the corte, and then a couple of little foot decorations in between. That was our Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 5, and that was from our class on the 22nd of August 22. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and if you're watching this in my video library, thank you so much for already supporting me. I will see you in another video very, very soon. Bye-bye.